Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're only a couple of days before Christmas, and as we're thinking for a last-minute DIY,
okay, we came up to this project na we're thinking na since na it's Christmas break at maraming mga bata ang hindi busy sa schoolwork, maybe we can add this one para meron silang magawa, pagganahin natin ng mga creativity natin para yun nga hindi puro cellphone, hindi magbababad lahat kasi maghapon sa cellphone. So, and also, it's not expensive. You can find, the materials kahit saan-saan. Okay, so without further ado,
for this project, we're gonna make a jewelry tree, and you'll only need twigs, gold spray paint, and cement. And now we're gonna show you how we made it.
okay, so let's start. So for this project, so kung meron kayong mga twig dyan sa palipaligid, that would be the best para magamit natin to. No need to buy anything, just if yun nga, kung meron kayo dyan twig or mga lumang kahoy na maraming sanga-sanga, yan ang perfect na gagamitin natin for this jewelry tree. So for this particular project also, what we have here ay meron kaming spray paint na gold. Pwede mo naman siya pinturahan, pwede mo siyang magbahala ka kung anong gusto mong color, but for us, since na alam niyo na gold, it makes everything looks good and expensive, so let's try this one. And for the second part, we don't have any other containers, kaya ginamit na lang namin itong bowl namin sa bahay. So, diba, kung ano yung meron kayo, yun na lang ang gamitin nyo. But make sure na pag gagamit kayo ng mga, mga bowl sa inyo, just make sure na maglalagay din kayo ng plastic. Okay, before nyo i-pour ang cement. The reason for that is para hindi magdikit ang cement doon sa bowl. Alright? So, before nyo rin ilagay ang tree, is to make sure na flatten din yung ilalim niya para tumayo siya ng maayos. And after this one, ilalagay na natin itong cement. By the way, this is ready to mix cement. All you have to do is to add a little bit water. Actually, napadami yung water namin. But it's okay kasi ilalagay lang naman natin siya as a base dito sa ating jewelry tree. And also, you can make some design. Yung ginagawa ngayon is what we're doing is that we're just creating like some texture para hindi naman siya flat yung design niya. And bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo gawin. You can add drawings, diba? Or kaya initial, pwede rin kayo maglagay dito. It's up to you. And by the way, since kailangan natin siyang i-cure, i-leave overnight, meron kayong kailangan maglagay kayo ng something na pwede niyang maging structure para hindi siya matumba. Okay? Okay, after curing overnight, ganito na ang magiging itsura niya. So, hindi talaga siya didikit doon sa bowl kasi nga nilagyan natin siya ng plastic. So, 'di ba, masisave natin yung bowl na 'yon. And tanggalin niyo lang talaga siya ng maayos at tagalan niyo lahat ng residue ng mga tira-tirang plastic. And wala, okay na 'yan. Just in case naman na you don't have cement sa bahay, ang pwede niyong alternative is maghanap lang kayo ng like container na medyo mataas-taas na pwedeng suportahan yung twig. And lagyan nyo ng pebbles. Kung wala naman kayong pebbles, sige, stones na lang. Diba? So, maghanap kayo ng mga maliliit na stones. So, pwede na siyang ilagay inside the container. So, para lang tumayo talaga itong twig na para sa ating jewelry tree. And also, if you notice dito, is diba nagkaroon siya ng design, yung base natin. Yun yung effect ng plastic. Kaya gustong-gusto ko rin maglagay ng plastic over that one. So, I think, wala. Okay na. Enjoy! I hope you can do this one at your home. So, this is our final product. So, I hope you like it.